A lot of families of children with autism are celebrating a legal victory against their insurance companies. The California Court of Appeal ruled companies must pay for special therapy for the children. KCAL 9's Randy Page has the story.
He cried almost all the time. He couldn't be in most public settings. He was not a happy kid.
Kate Movius is describing her son Aidan as a very young child, imprisoned by his autism, unable to communicate with the outside world.
Now this is a kid who loves the supermarket, loves to go to concerts, loves crowds.
She says the dramatic change is due in part to a therapy called applied behavioral analysis, which she says helped Aidan learn to follow directions, allowing him to safely explore the world.
Life with ABA has really given Aidan his freedom.
Movius says she spent years fighting with her health insurance companies to pay for the therapy and finally won the fight, along with many other families, thanks to a state law that requires private insurers to include the therapy in their health coverage. Until now, families with public health insurance, including police, firefighters, and low-income families, have been denied because they did not fall under this legislation. But not anymore, thanks to a ruling issued this week by the California Court of Appeal.
It was a really important decision.
Jamie Court is with Consumer Watchdog, which brought the case to the Court of Appeal.
The Court of Appeal said unequivocally that this treatment and the way it is delivered, if these kids, no matter who they are, need and should get.
I just hate that people had to suffer through waiting and had to be denied.
Kate Movius says all families dealing with autism should have access to the therapy that she believes has changed her son's life.
He's a very happy child, he's an unusual child, and he's a very, very beautiful soul, thanks to autism, I think, and thanks to him. But ABA has been, I think, the key to that.
A key that will now be available to other autistic children like Aidan, with the hope it can set them free. In Highland Park, Randy Page, KCAL 9 News.